there's going to be a 1 millimeter difference. That ballot paper was actually, even in the other election, was denied to say this does not belong to this particular breed of. So the paper trail would actually assist us in ensuring that whatever happens in terms of the printing, the distribution, the storage, there is a paper trail, there is accountability. We would look at results management because it's still part of the ZEC administration, results management. Over the 26 House of Assembly and local government by-elections since 2018 harmonized the elections, the results were managed in the same standard way. The system did not change. So in that regard, we are saying there should be reviews around the procedures to manage election results with a focus on infusing administrative measures to correct any errors that may be made by its officials at the polling stations, embark on efforts to build confidence amongst its stakeholders in results management. And also the issues of paper trail is important in terms of results management. So it is important that in that regard, again, there should be a paper trail that allows for, if there is any change from the point of the results and the polling station up to the point of announcement, and even at the point where the candidates are actually pronounced as winners of elections.